Thank you for visiting MarineMax.com. My name's Larry Vogt, and today we're going to take a look at this 2024 Sea Ray 210 SPX. This is a great bow rider for the family. It's got seating capacity for 12 people, and there's a ton of storage in this boat. Perfect for cruising around in the St. Johns River, the Intercoastal Waterway, or down the beach on those nice days. One of the unique things about this boat being an outboard is how much storage we have underneath the sun pad in the back. I'm going to take a peek in here and show you how much space we have so that when you go to the sandbar, you can store some beach chairs in here. There's plenty of room for your life jackets, coolers, etc. Another neat feature about the Sea Ray is the seating. How high the seating is, how it surrounds you, where you don't feel like you're sitting on top of the boat. You feel like you're in the boat, and it's very safe and secure. That's something that's unique to Sea Ray, and it's something that everyone in the family is going to enjoy. Let's take a look at the helm on this boat. This boat has a Fusion stereo system, and we have a 9-inch Simrad display, which gives us both chart plotting, GPS, and also sonar, which is going to be our depth. It also incorporates the engine gauge electronically into that screen as well. Kind of a really nice feature on this boat. Another thing that we've got on this one is the insert, the sun lounge, so we can make the entire front area a place to lay out. It's also removable if you want some more space to walk inside the boat. Please give us a call at 904-545-5310 if you've got any questions about this Sea Ray, or if you'd like to set up a sea trial. Thank you.